Hi, art therapists. So I just wanted to talk about this event, this free online event, and it's going to be a workshop catering to helping art therapists build their marketing strategy. And the reason why I created this event was because through all the discussions that I've been having with art therapists, I am noticing that many of them are frustrated with trying to show up online, and they feel that they are running out of ideas with creating content, and they feel that they're not reaching the people that they want. So I feel that this workshop is going to help clear that out, because it's going to be interactive. We're going to work through this workshop together through this amazing workbook that I built for you guys. So you can find the workbook at my link and basically that is going to be in the bio and also in the description box down below here. But you can find it at cmtdsgn.com/free-training. And that's pretty much it. And that's why I wanted to create this event. I really want to help our therapists, get their content out there and share their knowledge and understanding of how amazing art therapy is to, customers and clients that they want to attract.